Magandang gabi po ng February 23, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 9 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658. 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng February 23, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, February 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. 'Super Lotto 649 draw result ngayong February 23, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa Super Lotto 649 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. Ultra Lotto 658 draw result ngayong Sunday, February 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa Ultra Lotto 658 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. See you again tomorrow, February 24, 2025, Monday for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto, and 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here are the tomorrow's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, February 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of February 23, 2025 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.